Jasmine Donalvo Indencia, 26 from Iling proper. I would like to invite you all for this coming April 4, 2026 for our Grand Coronation Night. So isama na natin si Ate Kuya, jowa, mga tropa, magsama-sama po tayo panoorin ng aming Grand Coronation Night. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 1. And now, let's proceed to candidate number 2. Palakpak dyan! Tangkad!
A very good evening, my dear ladies and gentlemen. This is Win-Win Basilio Passion, hailing you all the way from the basket and seafood capital of San Jose, Barangay Mangarin, and that would be all. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Palakpak dyan! And now, let's proceed to candidate number 3.
Good evening, everyone. This is Venus Malabha Inalo, 24, loud and proud to represent Bamban.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Wow, Morena. And now, let's proceed to candidate number 4. Palakpak dyan! Palakpak! Wow!
Beauty queen, para kayo make you scream. Ganda kong nagniningning, alam kong mapapatingin. Di ko na kailangan maganda. Panalo na, di ko need ng filter ng camera. Naturang ganday, iba din. Kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto.
Bakit ako si Bobon kasi ako ang raraba para gawan.
Di magpapati nagsasasabihin ng iba. Ang mga bugera, umaasal pang karisma, alahat na iba. Sa tuwing ako'y napaparaan, narinig ang bulungan.
Good evening to everyone. Good evening to everyone. My name is Alice Alberto Fernando. I'm presenting Barangay Nicolas. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.